Hello from Slovenia again. I will try to show you how you can do an easy flower on coaster too, but I will of course experiment a little bit, so I will add this sterling silver extreme sheen for my base. I'm all into this gifts and coasters. I don't know why, and it's fun to play on these small things sometimes too. So I will just torch these air bubbles a little bit. And I was just thinking that I want to have 6-petal flower. I will not pour on top of this, don't be afraid. It would be too big. But I will kind of mark my 6 petals. This is black. Just 6 black dots. Okay. Oop. Now I will move this. This was just to help me a little bit with my shape. Like just a little more black. And let's add some pearl white next. Oop. And permanent red violet. And I will add a little of the silver, the same that it's in the background, just for lacing or something. And I will add some of this graffiti color. And let's add this darker violet here. Oop. And I will just go once more maybe. I didn't use my pipettes for quite some time, and I forgot that. Okay, let's add a little more of this graffiti color. My clock. Silver. And I will just add this red violet once more, just like this. I didn't do good job with this. And I will try to draw kind of a petals. Okay, and I will spray my napkin. No, I will use just paper towel today. Just regular paper towel. And I will put this on. And it's a lot bigger than my coaster, so I hope that I will have enough control for lifting. I hope that I will not lift my coaster along with my paper towel. It's like an orchid or something. Just adding some paint here because I miss it. Still don't like this middle here. Torch. It's quite nice. I will just grab a straw. I just tried to level that out a little bit. This flower is so tiny that it has to every part, if it's not on the right place, can bother you. So and I'm done. So let me take you for a close-up. I love how this looks because of this graffiti color. You see, you have this wispy kind of edge and the flower in the middle. I think it's beautiful and I really like this. And don't forget, this is silver, the outside. I know that it it was quite long video, but I don't know, sometimes you just have to go, not sometimes, always, what you think that it would be right to do, no matter how long it takes. So this is it for today. Tell me what you think about these coasters. I think that I could do a set of those because they are beautiful. This is it for today and see you on the next one. Bye!